Hello.
Das brother, Rajiv here.
Huh. Tell me.
I called you yesterday. I think you were busy with some other work.
Uh-huh.
Where did you do the final rituals? In Perur or Rameshwaram?
In Perur. That is close by, no?
Beena and Bindu would have left yesterday, right?
They left after rituals were over.
All of a sudden we came to know it, so we could not able to be the part of it.
Uh,
I could not get a day off from my work. Uncle had called me a week before he passed away. Actually, we both spoke around 45 minutes about the good times with my dad. I don't know what happened to him on that day. He never used to call me even occasionally. Our ancestors' era has just come to an end. Am I right, Das brother?
I am driving now. So I'll call you later, huh?
Okay, Das brother. I will call you sometime later. Tell me.
Hey, Pradeep. Where are you now?
At my home only. What's the matter?
I wanted to see you, that's why.
Come over. Yesterday leftover liquor is still available.
Hey, not just like that. I'll wait under the banyan tree, okay? You come. Without fail.
Okay, then you wait there. I will come in sometime.
Okay, come. Come quickly.
Okay. Hey, you should have come to my home, right? We would have casual chat with the usual pigs. My wife prepared chicken today.
I don't need all that.
Why? What happened?
You see, feels like my father is in front of me. Wherever I see, I can see him. Feel like he is calling me.
That's all your mind's thoughts here. It is usual for some days. He has been with you for these many days, right?
The day before he died, I scolded him wildly.
Why so?
And that is what is pricking me now. You know, the week before he died, he was angry on anything and everything. You know, one day Deepa served him tea. He just sipped once and threw it away. It was sugarless, it seems.
Oh.
But you know what was the sugar reading? 260 on that day. Sometimes Deepa also serves him tea with sugar. I got very angry by his behavior on that day. In anger, I blurted out lots of things. After that, he never spoke to me even one single word. He did not eat anything too.
I think his BP had shoot up.
Yes, his BP was high. But on that day, what I did was, on that night, I bought a quarter. I thought I will convince him, but before I could reach home, he slept. But usually he will wait for me. He slept off. I thought I shouldn't disturb him then and give it in the morning. But when I looked at him in the morning,
Hey, don't cry, brother. Don't cry.
he could have reprimanded me, but didn't speak to me at all. He didn't look at me.
Hey, it's okay, brother. It's all over now. Why are you thinking about the past? What is the point talking about it?
From that day onwards, I am seeing him in my dreams. He appears and stands still, never opens his mouth. I know he's very angry at me. I'm sure.
Everyone will face this situation in their life here. You remember about my father, right?
Pradeep,
Ah.
do you remember something? I lost shit amount in Madras. In my lodge. I was wondering whether to live or die. To tell you the truth, only God knows how we came to my lodge on that day. If he had come late by 30 minutes on that day, I would not be alive today. Not this Sivadasan. You see this Sivadasan in front of you now? It is my father's doing.
Will you please stop this, friend? And he was very fond of you. So you no need to worry about anything. Actually, he asked me to draw a plan of a supermarket in our town. No father will curse his own children here. Especially your father was so affectionate on you. Do you know that? Listen to me, Das. Don't hurt yourself. Things will get better soon. Okay? Hello?
Hello,
Yeah, tell me.
where did you put Shihab's plan?
I kept on the corner of the table.
On the table? It is not here.
Search it properly. Go. Did you find it?
No. Will you please come and hand it over?
You keep on cleaning the home and shuffle the things wherever you want. Every time it's a big headache for me. Hey, Das, come. Let's go home. Come.
Not required.
Come, we will have a usual peg.
You leave.
I'm telling you right. Come. Everything will be normal. Just 2 pegs. Chicken
No.
is ready for side dish. Come on.
I don't want you leave.
Okay, then it's up to you.
Das,
Father?
what is bothering you? Why are you so concerned, dear? Everybody must die one day, right? Then what? Hey, don't cry, man. Are you really worried about scolding me that day? I am not worried about it, okay? Actually, you told it for my good reason only, right? That day my BP was on the higher side. After always drinking that is sugarless, that day I was interested to drink something sweet. But I forgot to tell that to Deepa also. That is what happened. You don't have to feel bad thinking about it, my son. And you know, I am not really upset about you scolding me. But in fact, I am feeling bad to leave you all. And that there is nothing that we can do. If we are born, we must die now. But the problem was, I couldn't tell anybody. Not to your mom, not to you. Don't worry. Just think that that was all destined. Don't worry. I am not at all upset with you. You are after all my firstborn son now.
Oh, Father!
Don't be upset. I am always with you, son. I just want you to prosper. Just stay calm. Take good care of your mother. She is too naive. She was just 17 when I married her. Still, she is childish. Have you heard about wives who feel great about having peanut burfis and dal vada? Have you heard about anyone like that? She is like that. Without anybody's knowledge. I used to buy all that for her. Now, after all this,
Hello?
Dad, Grandma asked me when you would come.
I'm coming home, dear. Give it to Grandma.
Okay. Hello.
Where are you now? It's very late, so I'm asking.
I'm coming, mother.
Where have you gone?
I am here at the temple yard. Mother, should I buy something for you?
What happened?
No, whatever you want. Peanut candy or something else. Mother,
Bring something to eat. Your father only will ask like this. Bring some vadas if they are available.
definitely, mother.